Hi there, check out these cool gadgets and appliances we've got in this short video. This is a beautiful kitchen. We'll see the tools this lady is using in her beautiful apartment. This is a sponge you can use for cleaning your stuff. We've got this air fryer. She's preparing something to eat. This is a tool you can use for making omelet. It's really cool. It makes the task easier. This is a cooker. We've got this rack you can use for the kitchen sink. This is a juicer you can use for making different types of juice. We've got this grinder you can use for grinding garlic. Let's see what's in this bathroom. She's cleaning this toilet using this plastic brush. She's brushing her teeth. We've got this electric tool you can use for compressing these plastic bags for saving space. She's making her bed. This is another electric appliance. That's a pot you can use for cooking food. We've got this smart trash bin. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. It's really cool. It makes mopping easier. This is a small printer you can use at home. This is a dispenser for storing cereals. We've got these plastic gloves you can use for protecting your hands while doing the housework. We've got this plastic organizer. This is a grinder. We've got this small hair dryer. This is a plastic organizer you can use in the fridge for storing fruits and vegetables. This is a blender you can use for making juice. We've got this tool you can use for defrosting food. We've got this plastic dispenser again you can use for storing cereals. This is a cutting board, and we've got this juicer you can use for making orange juice. We've got this lady who's brushing her teeth. This is a small soft towel. clean this out using this plastic brush. You've got this small lid you can use for the corners. Makes the task easier and fast. I've got this again and this spin. All these gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress and Temu. So if you need any tool, just go to these websites. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.